So, so today we're going to be doing cabin simulator. Selected, attach. There is going to be uh, a random emergency. It makes sense to us. Okay, so there's going to be a random emergency happening on the deck. So it's going to be a complete random emergency. I do not know what the emergency is going to be. It's going to be random. So it's going to be a random. This could be some of the more intense emergencies, like a crash landing or a water landing, or maybe like a cabin depressurized, which isn't that intense, which isn't as intense as the other ones that that could happen. It literally could be anything. Random emergencies, which is really scary. Because I don't like random, because like I want to prepare for the emergency to happen. But I don't care about what I eat, man. No one cares about what I eat, man. No one cares about what the flight attendant wants to do. Actually, I could. I have emergency control. I literally bought emergency control, but who cares? Start boarding. Cockpit door. I'm gonna close the cockpit door. Okay, and then get in. And wait for passengers to be seated.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain for the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
No, we're not expecting a smooth ride. I mean, at least for me, because I know we're not expecting a smooth ride. Because I know there's going to be an emergency, but I don't know which one. Because there are many emergencies in this game. If you do not know, there are many emergencies in Cabin Crew. Sadly, there are many emergencies in Cabin Crew Simulator, which means there are many emergencies in real life, which is kind of sad. But, I mean, truthfully, life is life. Anyway, since there are many emergencies here, we need to kind of be, I mean, one second. Sorry about what happened. I'm just right now, nothing really happened. Especially an emergency did not happen. Pick up cookies. Have the cookies. I'm just preparing the galley.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
There are two galley preparation things. There are two galley preparations. So, no, wait, no. Wait, no, this is that type of, yeah, no, I'm doing the other type of thing. Never mind. Nothing really happened. It was just that when the last thing I saw, I really just went to the thing. With a galley prepared, I remembered about the galley, went to the galley. That's all that happened. I mean, I knew it would, wait, what? I can open and close the doors to the galley? to this.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.
Cruising
The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
So it doesn't really matter anymore because there used to be a thing where you kind of have to fake it. No, wait, no, that's about to happen. I think that's gonna be like a future update because why would they have that? But I mean that's just a theory. So you never know.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of
I
minutes.
don't know about
At
light
this time,
turbulence.
please ensure your
Maybe
seatbelt
a
is
crash
safely
landing, but I don't
fastened.
know about
Thank
light
you.
turbulence. That's a little. Do you know the emergency I really don't want to happen is the unconscious pilot. But that only happens right next to landing. I've seen them all. They live and you can get away very fast. I'm just I thought you might, but like when you look that up, you can see the actual emergency part. I think you might have like wanted to see them. And I don't have time to build this video. It's really small. Don't. Also, you're gonna laugh at me because I'm very bad at this. If you laugh at me, don't worry, guys. You can laugh at me as much as you want. Honestly, I don't care. I'm actually like a.
This is your captain speaking. We have experienced a cabin depressurization. Flight attendants, make sure all passengers have on their oxygen masks and do it quickly.
Put it on.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
They don't care. Okay, so the depressurized cabin one I actually do not know if there's a random emergency
Flight attendants, please prepare the captain for arrival.
And that's the fact that there is this. Get some medical stuff. It makes sense with takeoff. You gotta tell all the passengers to do what they need to do. But I don't get about with landing. With landing, why do you need to do this thing with landing? I don't get it. No, that's what I really don't get. Because with landing, I mean, everyone's already landed. Like, it's already been landed. What? Oh, it's because we haven't landed already. Yep, this is landing. I'm sitting right next to you. Is that what a cabin depressurization is? I mean, I get to watch the cabin. I guess to watch the. Why with the cabin depressurizing emergency? There's always a door. The door feels so like immersed, and I can just watch this. If it ever says press continue and continue for a water salute, don't do it. Water salute isn't good. I mean, it's good, but like it's not worth reading. So always press skip if you want to press skip. Some people don't want to skip it, but I mean, personally, I don't care. I would rather skip it then. Okay, so I think that is landing 1. I think that is landing a 1. I think we just landed, yeah. I have WRIS since I usually just fly private jets. This damn brother got. Yeah, bro. Of course he fly private jets. And he has a cell phone? He's like 2 years old. Who's calling him? His mom? 2 years old. What W is? Since I always play. Overhead bin. You gotta open all the overhead bins. You gotta open the bins overhead. You gotta open the overhead bins, yeah. Open the overhead bins, yeah. You gotta open them with the overhead. And then you gotta open the van with the overhead bins that you gotta open. You gotta open the overhead bins, yeah, yeah. what's about to happen. I am so dead. You're gonna make a water line. I am so dead. So, hello and welcome to Emergency Airlines, where our where our where our where our people's safety, where our passenger safety is last priority. Yep. We are so dead. Okay, so we're gonna start boarding, and then we're gonna walk straight to the. Honestly, I don't even know what we're doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm like completely sus. I'm sussed out. I'm way too sus. Cockpit. Okay, so I gotta close the cockpit. No one's walking in. Oh, people are starting to arrive. I can see those human beings. I can see those humans. Yeah, I can see those humans. Open door. I'm gonna enter the cockpit. 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 It's a pit made of cocks. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a cockpit. It's a cockpit. Yeah, it's a cockpit. 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 It's a cockpit.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain for the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
You gotta close the overhead bins. Close them. We gotta close all the overhead bins. Welcome. Okay, so basically, how this is gonna go is we're going to I have no clue what we're doing right now. Oh, whatever. I have a rude customer here. Excuse me. Turn on airplane mode, stupid. Alright, I'll turn it on. You didn't even text goodbye to that person. He's so rude. That was rude. Wait, oh wait, no, never mind. Why are you putting it in the emergency? Is galley actually like a thing? Like in real airplanes? Like is there actually like a galley method if you have to compare? I mean, I'm pretty sure there is. I think there is. I can imagine a galley. Okay, so should we land or not? Should we take off? Yep, I think we're taking off right now. Actually, are we taking off? Cause, oh no, I didn't close the stupid door. Okay, now we're taking off.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
It is takeoff, guys. Okay, so. I have to I can open the. It's supposed to be a water landing. So I don't know. I guess we're crossing the Atlantic or something. I don't know where we're crossing. Somewhere fun. We're going approximately somewhere fun. Imagine we land on the front wheel. That would be so sus. Bro. Now we're in just the abyss. Now we're just in the abyss. Yep. Okay, so we have taken off. Yep,
this is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Then food, because I mean water is better. Also, you better not have tickets on the back, especially on the second row in the back. If you order food on the second row in the back, you're getting your food last. Trust me. No, we skip everyone to food. We don't care. The water landing. going to the little tubular tube boats things. You gotta make the water landing. Get a piece of island. You gotta make a water landing. Gonna make a water landing. Gonna make a water landing. Oh, that was the same. I think that might have been the same ride. But it didn't look like the same ride. It's seen on the same spot as also okay. So, I mean, if they coded Gen Alpha slang.
This is your captain speaking. We are going to make a water landing. Flight attendants, make sure all passengers are wearing a life vest.
Put on your stupid life jacket, Ash. Put on your life jacket. Bro's not working. If bro doesn't wear life jacket, put on your stupid life jacket. Put on your stupid life jacket. Okay, so we are already landing and we didn't even do takeoff. A rifle. We already had a rifle. Okay, wait. Oh! So we're right now in the water. Not exactly in the water, but I think we're in the water.
Race!
Oh, now I have to get everyone to get it. Oh, wait, no. Wait, that was a crash landing. I have to get everyone in this position.
This is your captain speaking. Evacuate the cabin. The plane is starting to sink. Flight attendants, make sure all passengers get on a life raft before you leave the aircraft.
Evacuate, stupid asshole! Evacuate! 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 Stupid's not evacuating! Evacuate! 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 They make a very weird position when they evacuate. Yo. I'm just sitting on this lifeboat and nope. And I haven't done that. I saved myself instead of the passengers. I really saved my passengers. Yes, I can't do that. Stupid asshole. Yeah. Now I have to get on this. Yeah, this is the one I'm supposed to get onto. And that is going to transport me to my destination. I'm supposed to do. Yeah. So, if you want to see more of that, you subscribe. And look at me on Facebook. Okay. Bye. Later.